Review, just customer feedback and review for the NATIKA OEM style rear backup camera. If you look, it's nice and discreet. It looks like an original part, and from far away it doesn't even look like you have a backup camera, which I like. It's not those big bulky cameras that look like a GoPro and stuff, and it just blends in. It looks really nice, and show you how it looks. And the reason why I got this is I had another NATIKA before, and the clarity and the waterproof was just amazing. And I'm going to start the car. Okay, and I have a Pioneer MBH 200, and as soon as I put it in reverse, boom. Yeah, and I love the clarity of it. The color is nice and accurate. It's not washed out, it's not grainy, and as soon as you take it off reverse, boom, goes back to normal. And so anyways, love the camera. It's a great buy. Can't beat it. Can't beat the quality, can't beat the price, can't beat just the clarity of the picture. Alright, thank you.
Friday, April 26th, featuring Stevie B, Lisa.
Here's the camera. It's held up for about a year now. It's doing well. I've got it installed on my Forerunner. It's a 2003, and I'll show you guys what the display looks like. Throw it in reverse. Pops up. Looks great. Like I said, it's held up for about a year now, so it doesn't seem to have any issue with rain or weather. Works great.
What it is, what it is. My car reverse. Ooh-wee! What? Welcome to the 21st century. Boom. Music, please. Oh, it's not gonna play while I'm recording, but it is what it is. Connected. AirPlay.
this is a quick review. So this is a quick review of the camera I bought here on Amazon. It's really, really clear. Like, for the price, you just can't beat it.